a two-channel power analysis fixture designed to capture long, high-resolution power traces and digital sidebands. It's really simple to set up. You can simply screw in your own wires to create a custom loom, and the pluggable screw terminals can be removed and inserted quickly to allow rapid changes between connection types. We have flexible control options. Here we're showing LAN and USB control, allowing us quickly to connect to Quartz Power Studio. So Power Studio is a great tool for visualizing what's happening in the system that you're monitoring. So here we're going to run a trace with a 100 microsecond sampling rate, and we can see both the digital square wave generator at the top, and in addition the remainders of the 16 digital channels we can view. Now if we power up the device that's attached to it, suddenly we see the spike of inrush current coming in. And a quick double click on that, we can zoom in and see more detail on what's happening. We can also add annotations onto the trace to highlight interesting events, in this case the power on position. We can add text to the annotations. So really here what we're able to give you is not just the analog and digital trace, but also the ability to add additional notes and potentially even additional channels. Potentially for R&D test boards, for monitoring power charging of phones, or for splicing into a power loom for a drive, for instance, that perhaps is not suitable for use with one of our more specific fixtures. Also take Power Studio out of the picture entirely and automate via Python to bring data back either into CSV format or even your own binary format if you prefer for post-processing. The options here are endless.